Hey, he's new. He's my lab partner. This is Jamie, and this is Mike, the weird one.
Hey, want a beer?
Sure. You buy it around here?
Right in there.
Did not, his brother did.
What's the difference? It tastes good anyway. Drink up, man. We got 2 six-packs to kill. Hey, wait a minute. There's the cops. Where do we go, in the park? Nah, the park's too far. I don't want to go all that way.
Well, maybe we go to my house. My parents aren't home, and they won't be home for a while.
Right. Out of sight. Let's go. Hey, who's that?
It's my dad.
I like it. Can I wear it? Hey, guys, we're all out of beer. When are your parents getting home?
Well, they said they were taking my grandmother out for dinner.
Great. Now we can have a party. First we gotta get some beer or something.
Look inside there. Over there.
All right. Now we're talking. Right.
Hey, guys, I mean, like, just...
Hey, wait a minute. Maybe there's some beer in the fridge.
Don't you guys have to go home?
Nope.
Mom? I'm over at Janice's.
Hey, look what I found.
Yeah, I'm eating dinner over here, okay? All right, bye.
Hey, want to call Terry and Joe? Yeah, then we'll have a real party.
All right. Tell them to bring over some pizza.
Yeah, hello, Terry. And
Yeah,
more beer. This is mine, 2 six-packs. Come on over, we're having a party at Pizza. 3. Could you pizza? You don't think? 75 more pieces of pizza. Hey, Susan! You still going shopping with us today? Yeah, I called my mom and she said it's okay. Great.
Hi, kids. Where's my beautiful daughter? Has anybody seen her?
Well, come on, let's go.
Hi, honey. I hope I didn't keep you too long in the rain. Hey, did you get a lot of compliments about your hairdo this morning in school, honey?
I don't know.
Well, you don't know? I think it looks fabulous. Nobody complimented you? It looks fabulous. I mean, I don't know what you were so worried about. It was just beautiful. Now, where am I going? Where am I going? Okay. Looks fantastic. Don't you think it looks terrific, Susan?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Well, I mean, it rained on it. It fell a little bit now because it rained on it. But it was terrific this morning. She worked on it. She got up at 6 o'clock this morning and worked on it for 2 hours.
Mom, will you drop it, please?
Well, you don't have to get so snappy about it. I'm just interested. Hey, how's your mother, Susan? You know, I haven't seen her in ages. Hey! Nobody watches where they're going anymore. People don't watch where they're going. Okay.
Oh, look at his hair.
Well, what's going on?
Nothing.
Hey, isn't that, what's his name, Judy? That boy that you like? Mark.
No.
Sure it is. Aren't you going to say hello?
No.
Oh, don't. What's the matter? Of course you are. Let me get him over here for you.
Mom!
Mark!
Oh, Mom.
Mark! Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. I'm Sarah Roberts. I'm Judy's mom. Honey, look who's here. Don't you want to say hello?
Hi.
All right, let's go. Come on.
All right, ready?
You swing right through it.
There it goes.
Oh, all right. Nice hit.
All right. Not bad, not bad. Let's see.
Yeah, you know it's good, don't you?
Yeah, the pitches are coming a little faster now.
Oh, wait a minute. You better choke up a little bit. Here, yeah, like that. Yeah, put your hands like that. Okay. Get a good grip on it. All right, here we go.
Here it comes.
It's good.
Sign her up for the team. Everett! Huh?
Who's that?
My cousin.
What does he want?
I don't know.
Hey, Everett! Come here! Come on, look at our time with truck over here. Get over here. Come here. Man, come on. What do you got all day? Come on, Eric. Here, I got something for you. Little gift. Drink it up. Come on. That's the man. Sit down, make yourself comfortable. Give some to your girlfriend. That's the man. Way to be.
Hey, Kevin, how come you weren't at Uncle Joe's party the other night?
Oh, well, you see, me and him went to this concert, right? What are you laughing for, man? It was good.
Yeah.
Hey, it's got to be better
Hey,
than this
it's not
party.
mouthwash.
You gotta be
Swallow
kidding.
it. Drink it. Guys over here goggling.
So was the
Hey.
concert? Yeah, it was good.
It was definitely supreme, I'm telling you.
He missed half of it. He passed out twice. I had to carry him back to the car.
What can I do after about 3 quarts of vodka?
3 quarts. Keep going. You want to know why he wasn't at Fat Joe's party?
Why?
I'll tell you. Last time he was at Fat Joe's party, he puked up.
That's a lie.
It's not. I was
It is
there.
a lie. It was the
I was
cat.
there.
It was the
The
cat.
cat didn't puke up.
The cat puked.
That freaking guy. Was he wearing party hats at the party again?
Yeah.
Freaking fat guy wearing a party
Yeah,
hat.
he
What
had
do you
a
want to go
King's
there
hat
for?
on.
Burger King.
Guy's 47 years old wearing Mickey Mouse hats. Freaking fat slap. This guy, we start laughing. We're running down the living room. Fat Joe's chasing them and yelling and screaming. Catches almost beat him to death. And that's why he didn't go to the birthday party.
Didn't want to get himself killed.
Hey, what do you think if we go down the quarry, huh? Anybody up for the
Yeah.
quarry? Come on, I drive my car. Get
Wanna
some
go,
stuff,
Chuck?
drink.
Want to go?
Nah, it's all right. It's getting too late. I gotta cut out. Come on, the quarry's great. Just because the freaking goggler over here, he don't want to go down the quarry. We can go to the quarry. It's great. Take a ride in my car.
Pretty cool,
listen
man.
to stereo. Get
Telling
something to
you.
drink, huh? Listen to Kevin.
There
He's
ain't
your
no
cousin,
one
you know.
around, man. Blow
Come
some
on, Eric. You
firecrackers,
take
why
your
not?
girlfriend
Yeah.
down, too, huh?
Yeah,
Take your
why
little
not?
honey there.
She's not my girlfriend.
Come on.
Shut up.
I bet you'd like to be, huh? You like to be his
Shut up.
girlfriend? Yeah.
You want to?